we realized we don't really know where the trail starts. Today we're going out to Delancey Falls, which is in Middleton, and of course, in preparation for this, I am making something to drink. So I think this will be my tradition when I go out with Dawn and Melissa. Today I am trying a mulled cider. So I picked up cider from Elderkins because I'm not making cider myself. And then I just thought about all my favorite flavors. So I've got some cinnamon, star anise, I've got some cloves, and then also I've been sick all week. I've been in the house all week. So I've got 2 inches of ginger, which I kept the peel on. I just washed it because I'm going to take it out anyway. And then also in the house we had some mandarin oranges. So I am going to put this in, and my hope is that it will be delicious after I simmer it all for 20 minutes. All right, 20 minutes later. Let's see how this tastes. The best part about doing a mulled cider, I'm saying this before I even try it, is that if it didn't work, warm cider is still good on its own. This is good. The orange really took off, so I love that. I don't quite taste a lot of the ginger, which I had hoped. So I think what I'm going to do is actually put it into the thermos with the ginger, and then hopefully by the time that we have it, it will have more ginger flavor and no one is going to choke on a 2-inch piece of ginger. So let's hope that works.
This must be something.
I don't know if that looks like parking. I think it's a field.
I'm gonna turn around.
We just arrived. We're on Neily Road and we're not exactly sure where the trail starts. So we just kind of parked on the road and we're gonna walk in. It's supposed to be a short trail, so even if there's parking further down, it shouldn't take us more than an hour, I would think. We don't know if we're going the right way, but it seems like this is a trail to somewhere. So if we don't see the waterfall, at least we will have gone for a nice winter walk. It's a little bit chilly. There's a little bit of a trail. But what I love the most, and this is the upside to being out in winter, is apparently in the spring, summer, there are a lot of ticks here. But right now, no ticks. I have the AllTrails app, so I did know this. There's this little cabin right here, and apparently you're supposed to be able to go down to the falls from there. I hope it's easy. I can hear them laughing. I hope that's good laughter. Going Going up is gonna be the hard part. Totally worth it to come down here. It's so beautiful. But the tricky thing is, because there's so much snow down, you don't know if you're walking on land or if you're walking on ice. And we're over a river right now, so it could be very easy to actually just step right into the ice. I have waterproof boots on, which are amazing, but I think this river is deeper than my boots are. Oh, this is hard.
Yeah, I don't think my boots are as beefy as your guys'.
You might have to go on all fours.
Oh, I'll get up. Just my coffee is so graceful. I cut the phone.
Oh, okay. Now it's easier. I don't think I have the technique.
It's very rare that you get to like have a feat ahead of you that you have to accomplish.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like that was something.
That was good. Well, we couldn't stay down there. If that went all the way down, I wouldn't go get it. I got up once.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah.
Super nice.
It's very good. That is good.
That is good.
I made it up. That was a fun time. It probably took us maybe an hour in and out, just enough to get some fresh air. And I'm so excited that cider was good. And so now we need to think, where are we gonna go next?